What the heck? Was there? Did something hit me in the face? Must have hit me against this tree. My head hurts. What did I even get? Let's see my backpack. I got this from Martha. I'll go salad.
The entitled mum noticed my vial of insulin. What is that? You can read the label if you want. It's my insulin. I was trying my best not to explode at her. Let me read it. I hold up the vial to let her read. I see that she calms down. She must know what insulin is. Even though I told her that it was insulin.
It's only
$19.
$19.
The entitled mum walks away and probably went to demand a refund on the pork
Dude.
Her shy kid was just sitting
Oh
at
yeah,
the
Caster,
table,
you've got
I finish
a
with my
mark
diabetes stuff and eat my
on
delicious
the back of your
I have
head.
a pump and Dexcom now, so I'll probably get less
I know.
problems,
What
except when
happened?
they leave. While I was typing this, my dad
Did
came over to me and
something
told
from
me
the
that they're
volcano
making
hit
a
you?
nasal glucagon
Because I
spray.
saw a
Way
boulder
better than
hit
the long needle.
someone,
Wow,
then
actually, that sounds
that
exceedingly
person
helpful.
fall down
Now, to be
the hole,
honest,
but I
OP is
was selling
actually
something
pretty
to
lucky in
someone
this story. I
while
know that
somebody was
sounds a little
selling
bit weird for
something
me
to
to
me.
say, but listen to
Oh,
this.
yeah,
I've
yeah,
read a
yeah,
few
yeah,
other
that makes
stories on
sense.
this subreddit where an entitled mom has grabbed
See you,
someone's
catch you
insulin
around,
bottle and
Caster.
smashed it. At least
Catch
this
you
one had
around.
some form of common sense to at least read the
High five,
label.
bro.
But yeah, having diabetes is bad enough, but when you have entitled
See you,
parents
bud.
that ask you about it constantly and say it's drugs, it doesn't get much worse than that. And now for our final story. Some people say I'm starting to cause trouble.
Let's make a jump in.
Woo,
Woo, that was fun.
for some backstory, we got a call from the local
I'm going to
police
try
department
diving.
letting us
Hopefully I'm
know
not
a vehicle owned by our
scared
rental agency
enough.
had been impounded. And that
Bacon
after being
flamingo,
searched, it was safe
ducky,
for us to come retrieve
flamingo.
it.
You've
Once
been
we retrieved
quiet
the
for a
vehicle,
while.
about a half an hour later, the fun
Oh, they're
ensues. We're in
asleep.
our office when a taxi pulls in next to the front door. Two people get out and practically slam the doors closed on the taxi before ripping open our front door. A screaming frenzy ensues before any of us can even open our mouths. The entitled boyfriend shouts, "Where the F is my car?" My manager James comes out from his office and is immediately at the front of the store, while myself and two others stay closer to the back. "I'm sorry, sir, what do you mean? I asked you where my freaking car is." "Sir, I need you to calm down." The entitled mum, quiet up until now, decides to join the screaming fits. "Listen here, you little idiot, we paid good money for that car and we want it back. Look it up, I'm Mrs. Blank." James finally starts to put the pieces together and realizes they are talking about the car that was impounded. What we heard from police reports was that the vehicle was confiscated after two individuals tried to steal beer and candy from a local gas station. The vehicle was searched as well, and a large number of half-smoked joints were also discovered.
Apparently,
So the
the
vehicle was
lava over there
impounded
is
and the two
pretty hot
individuals taken to the
for the
police
water.
station. We all kind of expected, young kids or something. Okay, folks, listen. What are your names? And I'll be able to look up your contract, find the vehicle you're talking about, and we can get this sorted, okay? During this time, James looks back at us with a freaking do-it expression. We have a panic button under our desks in the back to summon police presence. Since we were on very good terms with the local police department, they were usually there in minutes. True to form, I slam that button under the desk as discreetly as possible, and they show up while James is still trying to calm down the two screaming people in our lobby. The police walk in, and the entitled boyfriend instantly becomes more
I
aggressive.
also have swimming
So far as to break our front door hinges when the
lessons
police escorted the two of them
tomorrow
out to talk in the
at
parking
my
lot.
school.
Once they're outside, we breathe
I'm
a
just in high
collective sigh of
school.
relief, and James
Barely
searches
like
our
I'm
system
actually
to
in high
find
school.
information on the car. Turns out, these people were the ones who
Well,
rented the car.
I love
We keep the
sailing.
phone number on file and speak with a good grandma who rented the vehicle for her
Hold
grandson,
on,
good
gotta
Yankee.
change rods
When we explain the
to
situation
my
to her,
favorite
she
rod.
said she will be there soon and
I have
will notify
4
her
of them.
grandson.
Well, that's how much I love them.
Into the parking lot with his grandmother, and we watch
Is
as
that
the
a
parking lot
shark?
becomes a soap opera. A lot
Can't
of
be a
screaming,
shark.
getting up
Sharks
in each
don't
other's
appear
faces until the
around
black kid
Eruption
marches
Island.
into our office.
Do they?
Speaking of Angus himself,
I search
he
it up on
poses a bit.
Wikipedia.
I am so
That's a
sorry.
shark! That's a shark too! Gotta repair the boat. Cha-ching! I'm gonna be ate alive!
Why do you have to be like this to your own flesh and blood? Why can't you be grateful for all I've done for you? The grandkid turns, and I can only assume his face was not happy because the
Alright,
entitled
good
mum
thing I've
kind of
got.
shuffled
I can
backwards.
breathe
Gran has
down
done
here.
more for me than you ever have. Now get
Oh,
the
there's
heck
the
out of my
shark.
face. Police enter and escort the entitled
Hi,
mum back
Mr.
outside, where the
Sharky.
other officers
Please,
placed her entitled
no
boyfriend
Sharky.
into the back of the squad car. She joins them
Wait,
and the police drive
don't.
away. The grandkid turns back to us and apologizes, saying he'll come back to sort things out. 2 days later, the grandkid comes back with his grandmother, and they apologise up and down for the fiasco. Apparently, without going into too much detail, the grandkid moved out of the house when his entitled dad and entitled mum got together and went to go live with his grandma. His grandmother has spent years trying to be the
Where am
parent
I?
the grandkid never had.
Oh, I
His
know
entitled
stuff
mum
got
and
picking
her
up,
entitled boyfriend have repeatedly tried to come
and
to the grandkid's
and then and then they must have called the boat thing. Yo, dude, I had to. Dude, are you okay? Yeah, I cast his twin. What happened? Oh, shark. It bit me. Oh, I see it bit you on your arm. Yes, it's just a little. Yeah, just probably travels, dude. Remember, tell me anything that you want. Okay, cut. Let's go check on my fish. I should probably get fishy out. Oh, let's open the door, the vault door. Hey guys, how you doing? Still having a good time. There's fishies. There he is. Yo, fishy. Let's see over here. I really need to fill up this area.
Very special episode for you. A compilation of some of the greatest entitled parent stories we read over the past
There's Stingy.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy a few
And here's my
hours
mythics and
you've
legendaries.
never heard of. And by the way, Jaren assured me that if this video gets 1,000 likes, she won't try to speak to anyone's manager for an entire week. So please smash that like button. And if you're new,
Let's see how many mythics I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mythics. I could get 6k if I sell them, but nah. I love them. Because they have feelings too.
I work here. Let go of me. Hey there, Mr. Reddit. I'm a huge fan of your videos. I honestly never thought I'd meet an entitled person at my job, but here I am.
Alright, Fishy, you ready to go on an adventure? Ah, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. I'm so excited. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, Fishy, let's get going. Yeah, this will be so fun. I know, right, Fishy? Yeah. Okay. So Fishy, what do you want to do? Can I put on my favorite song? Fine, I'll put it on my phone. Why do you like it so much? Because.
Hey boys, we're back. You guys loved the last fishy song. Yeah, well, should we make another?
No. Okay, Fishy, you can keep it.
We're back. You guys loved the last fishy song. Yeah, well, should we make another? Hope you guys enjoy. It's a banger. Tacky wacky. I don't know what the plays, but the fishy on me.
Oh, this is actually pretty
Gotta
catchy.
but the fishy on me. I'll slap your knee. Fishy on me. Fishy on me. I don't know what the plays, but the fishy on me. Gotta let the be, but I'll slap your knee. Fishy to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy on me, it's a fishy to be.
Ow.
I don't know what the plays, but the fishy on me. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't know the plays, but the fishy on me. To his be, I'll slap your knee. I'll slap you.
Okay, that's just random. Dude, you should probably watch what you're diving. We're fine. We're not gonna get hurt.
I know you love this fishy. Don't even eat me. Fishy, 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 do fishy, fishy, see. I don't wanna be with the fishy on me.
Yes, we're not gonna crash.
I know a place but the place to be. I will slap your knee. I don't know a place but the fishy on me. Got a lot of fishy, got a place to be. Fishy, fishy, fishy on me. I got a place in a fish to be. Fishy, 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 fishy.
Dude, there's a rock.
Fishy on me. but the fishy on me. Got a lot of fishies, fishies to be. I don't wanna place, but the fishy on me. I know you and you ain't know me. I'm finding found a place and the fishy gotta pee.
Boo.
Fishy gotta pee, fishy gotta pee. Finding found a place and the fishy on me. I really enjoy making the fishy songs. I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And share the video with a friend if you did enjoy or laugh because that helps me get like a recommendation. I hope so. Thanks guys. Love you and stay with the fish sniffies. Bye.
Fishy, we should probably get home.
Anyways,
You really put it on a loop, Fishy. Yep.
I'm on the place with the fishy on me. Got it at the beat, but the fishy on me. Gotta do, I'll slap your knee. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't want to.
The fishing simulator series.
Yo boys, I'm Chico, back with a brand new song. We're trying to reach 80,000 likes on this song, guys. Let's kill the last one.
To be continued. Wait, is that a shark? That's a megalodon. Ah!